Oh, hey, what's up, you guys? I'm Jeremy McGrath, and we're out here going to do a little moto at Elsinore Park this day, but I want to give you guys a little tour of the Sprinter. Check out all the cool Aluminess stuff on it. Obviously, right here you can see I got the front bumper with the Warn winch in there. Just about to switch out the stock lights here for the Squadron fog lights from Baja Designs. You can see I got the LP4s up here on the A-pillar from Baja Designs. Got the dual control bar up top. Yeah, I have the Aluminess steps on both sides, which, I mean, for Sprinter, this is a four-wheel drive Sprinter, so it's the last year of the four-wheel drive before the new ones are all-wheel drive, but this is 2 years ago, so it was a little higher. So the steps are key. That's really cool. Got the pop-outs on the side. Got a custom roof rack. Got Squadron lights for all my area lighting, which is all around the side. Got the Aluminess ladder, Aluminess box. Got the rack for the bike. Got the spare tire rack for the spare black Rhino here. Aluminess steps on the side, which are sweet. And then
what do you use this van for?
So I use my van for pretty much anything adventure, right? So I'm not motocrossing or dirt bike riding all the time these days. So pretty much like the way I set it up is just to be really agile. Like I can throw all my moto stuff out, put all my surf tubs in and go to the beach, or throw those out, put all my mountain bike stuff in, go to the mountain bike trails. I kind of like it pretty universal. What I did is I bought a custom seat here that you can see that, whoa. I got a custom seat that lays down into a bed. You know, what I really like, you can't really make the second seat in a Sprinter van a bed. So what I did is I took the mounts out of the floor, had them put in the back so I can put my second seat in the back. So if I need to haul a bunch of people, my kids or whatever, and I bought this custom seat. And what's cool about this seat is it lays down super flat. So you can bring a little egg crate, throw your sleeping bag right on it, and great for great for a day at the track. Pretty cool. Got a little, you know, center right there. But really just finished the walls and made a nice little rack back here so I can put my moto or my dirt bike front wheels in, some tie down holders. All the Baja Designs are controlled with the S-Pod controller up here. And that's really it. I mean, these days I'm kind of thinking less is more, you know, like I want the look to be a certain way, but I don't want to overdo it. And I think with the Aluminess and the Baja Design stuff, and with the wheels and tires and the little fun wrap that I have by 111 wraps, yeah, I mean, it's kind of all I need these days. So I really love this thing. I can daily drive it if I want, or I can go do moto stuff. I can just kind of do whatever with this thing, and it's pretty cool.